Chia mining, the green crypto revolution. Introduction: a greener path in cryptocurrency. In the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency, Chia, XCH, has emerged as a fresh and eco-friendly alternative to traditional mining methods. While Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies rely on energy-intensive proof-of-work (POW) mining, which requires vast amounts of electricity, Chia offers a greener solution with its unique proof-of-space and time post-consensus mechanism. This approach leverages unused storage space on hard drives rather than relying on computational power, making it more accessible and environmentally friendly. Developed by Bram Cohen, the creator of BitTorrent, Chia's innovative technology has the potential to change the way we think about cryptocurrency mining.
By using hard drive space instead of power-hungry processors, Chia not only reduces energy consumption but also democratizes the mining process, allowing more individuals to participate.
What is Chia? Chia, XCH, launched in 2021 with the goal of providing a decentralized, secure, and sustainable blockchain solution. Chia's key innovation lies in its ability to harness storage space rather than computational power, drastically reducing the energy consumption associated with traditional cryptocurrency mining. This shift in technology represents a significant departure from the POW model and opens the door to a more inclusive and environmentally responsible form of blockchain mining. Unlike Bitcoin, where miners compete to solve complex cryptographic puzzles using powerful hardware, Chia relies on individuals contributing storage space. This mechanism not only minimizes energy use, but also helps ensure that the network remains decentralized, as anyone with sufficient storage can participate in Chia farming.
How does Chia mining work?
Chia's proof-of-space and time (POST) mechanism is a twofold process that involves both space and time. Proof-of-space (POS). The first component involves allocating unused storage space on hard drives to create plots. These plots contain cryptographic data that is used to solve challenges issued by the network. Each plot represents a miner's contribution to the network, and the more storage space allocated, the higher the likelihood of winning Chia coins. Proof of time, POT. The second component ensures that the time between blocks is consistent, which adds an extra layer of security and fairness. By verifying that a certain amount of time has passed between blocks, the network ensures the blockchain remains secure and that no miner can manipulate the system. Plotting versus farming. Chia mining is divided into two distinct phases: plotting and farming. Plotting. The plotting phase involves creating cryptographic plots on your hard drives. This process requires a decent amount of computational power, typically from solid-state drives, SSDs, and can take several hours to days depending on your hardware. Plotting is a one-time process, and once the plots are created, they can be used indefinitely for farming. Farming. Once the plots are complete, they can be farmed for Chia. Farming is a much less resource-intensive process, as the plots are simply stored on your hard drives and used to compete in solving network challenges. The more plots you have, the greater your chances of winning newly minted Chia coins as rewards for securing the network. Getting started with Chia mining.
Ready to dive into Chia mining? Here's what you'll need to get started.
Hardware requirements. Storage. The more, the better. Chia mining is all about unused storage space. While SSDs are recommended for the plotting process due to their faster write speeds, hard disk drives, HDDs, are ideal for storing the plots once they are created. CPU. A multi-core processor will help speed up the plotting process. While you don't need a top-tier CPU, having a robust processor can make the plotting phase more efficient. RAM. At least 16 GB of RAM is recommended for efficient plotting. While Chia farming doesn't require much memory, the plotting process can benefit from additional RAM. Software setup. Download the Chia blockchain software. Navigate the official Chia website to download the Chia blockchain software. Install and configure. Follow the installation instructions and configure your settings to get started. Create plots. Once the software is installed, you can begin creating plots. Depending on your hardware, this process can take anywhere from several hours to a few days. The economics of Chia mining. As with any cryptocurrency mining operation, Chia farming has its costs and potential rewards. Understanding the economics of Chia mining can help you make informed decisions about your setup and long-term profitability. Cost versus reward. Initial investment. Chia mining requires an upfront investment in hardware. This includes storage devices, SSDs and HDDs, CPUs, and additional RAM. While Chia is more accessible than traditional POW mining, the cost of storage can add up depending on the size of your operation. Electricity costs. Although Chia is far more energy efficient than POW mining, there are still electricity costs associated with running your hardware. Farming plots require less power than the plotting process, but these costs should still be factored in when calculating profitability. Earnings potential. Chia mining rewards are determined by several factors. Network space. The total amount of storage space dedicated to the Chia network. As more people join the network and contribute storage space, the difficulty of earning rewards increases. Your plots. The more plots you have, the higher your chances of solving network challenges and earning rewards. You can use online calculators to estimate your potential earnings based on the size of your storage and the current state of the network. Environmental impact. One of the most appealing aspects of Chia is its lower environmental impact compared to traditional POW mining. Traditional mining operations like Bitcoin require massive amounts of energy, much of which comes from non-renewable sources. This has led to significant concerns about the environmental cost of cryptocurrency. Chia's post-T mechanism is much more energy efficient. Rather than relying on continuous computational power, Chia farming relies on the storage and retrieval of data, which consumes far less electricity.
By reducing energy consumption and promoting the use of idle resources, Chia represents a major step toward a more sustainable cryptocurrency future.
Challenges and considerations. Plotting time and resources. Plotting can be a time-consuming and resource-intensive process. SSDs are typically used during the plotting phase due to their speed, but this frequent writing and rewriting can wear down SSDs over time. For long-term Chia farming, it's important to have a balance between speed and durability in your hardware setup. Storage wear and tear. As mentioned, frequent plotting can lead to SSD wear and tear, reducing the lifespan of your storage devices. It's essential to monitor the health of your drives and be prepared to replace them as necessary to ensure your farming operation runs smoothly. Market volatility. As with any cryptocurrency, the value of Chia can fluctuate. Cryptocurrencies are notorious for their volatility, and Chia is no exception. It's crucial to stay informed about market trends and be prepared for fluctuations in earnings. The future of Chia mining. Chia has the potential to revolutionize the cryptocurrency industry with its environmentally conscious approach to mining. As the network grows and more people recognize the benefits of Chia, we can expect further advancements in both the technology and the size of the Chia network. Innovations on the horizon. Improved plotting tools. Developers are constantly working to optimize plotting tools to make the process faster and more efficient. This could help reduce the time and resources needed to create plots, making Chia mining even more accessible. Increased adoption. As awareness of Chia's environmental and economic benefits grows, more people are likely to adopt this cryptocurrency, further decentralizing and securing the network. Chia mining epilogue. Chia mining offers a unique opportunity to participate in a greener, more accessible form of cryptocurrency. By leveraging unused storage space, Chia provides an energy-efficient alternative to traditional mining methods, with the potential to reduce the environmental impact of cryptocurrency. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting out, Chia represents an exciting opportunity to engage with the blockchain in a meaningful and sustainable way. So dust off those old hard drives, install the software, and start farming Chia today.
Let's now get the disclaimer out of the way. This video is for informational purposes only and not intended to give financial advice.